N Grin Boost enhances power and responsiveness for 10 seconds, giving you a thrilling boost in acceleration. Just press the NGB button located on the upper right side of the steering wheel and press the accelerator. You'll get an additional 40 horsepower and maximum motor responsiveness for 10 seconds. After each use, there's a 10-second cooldown period before it can be activated again. It cannot be used in N-Race Endurance mode. N Grin Boost also will not activate if the battery's state of charge is below 30%. N Grin Boost can be activated regardless of the selected driving mode or the status of electronic stability control. Ensure that there's a safe distance between you and the vehicle ahead when using N Grin Boost.